Hey everybody, good evening. It's Angelo Christian Financial. Thank you so much for watching our podcast, Real Estate Insider, Where America Goes for Funding. We do our talk with Angelo every week at 6 p.m. Central. I appreciate all you guys tuning in tonight to watch the show on the channel. And we also do a ton of YouTube videos throughout the week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, where you can tune in and watch. We have I think over 1,100 videos. We've been producing content on our channel for, I want to say over 7 years now. I can't believe it's been that long. I remember when I shot my first video. And so it's crazy that this much time has passed. But, we come to you guys every week to kind of give you an update on the market, like what's going on with the economy, interest rates, commercial lending, residential lending, new loan programs, product updates, and we're not just a YouTuber or some type of marketer. We're an actual direct, nationwide lender. So, we do have some clout when we're coming to you talking about, what we do, what we offer. So, the big thing right now, we're finishing the year, 2 months left in the year. It's been an interesting year. Obviously, I could tell you looking back, I didn't expect it to finish like this. Hey, thanks for watching, Mr. Bigglesworth. We appreciate you watching the show on the channel. But it's kind of ending, somewhat on a flat downtrend, and sometimes things happen like that. Some markets are doing better than others. Nothing overall has been very robust. Like last year was a very upswing year for residential and commercial. This year has been somewhat of a flat line, and we're hoping that after the first quarter of next year that things pick up again, that interest rates come down, and that the markets will the Fed will remove their intervention and the markets can get back to business. And so that's the hope. Obviously, nobody knows that for sure. Looking back, 8 months ago, I didn't see the market how it is today. And I don't have a crystal ball. I've been doing this a long time, but I certainly didn't see I knew that interest rates were going to go up. I just didn't know to this rapid acceleration, this extent of what they've gone up. And so, banks and lenders, they're very smart. They're going to figure out ways how to survive. We've come out with programs to help people to combat that, like our zero down conventional. We're offering zero down conventional up to $715,000. We have the 2-1 buy down program. We have lock and shop. We have adjustable rate loans to help to get the rates down. Because usually you have to understand that, inflation and higher rates are a short-term thing. It's not a long-term thing. So, we're not going to be in a higher rate territory for 10 years. It might be a year or two, and then the opportunities will emerge where you're going to want to refinance. If you locked in at a 6 or 7% rate, there'll be a time when you're going to want to refinance and drop that rate to 3 or 4% again. And so that's the opportunity, the hope of what you're looking for. Obviously, nobody knows when that date will come, but it will come. And when it does, you're going to want to take advantage. Now, in the meantime, what you're seeing is you're seeing that home prices are correcting. Prices are coming down. Sellers are, somewhat negotiating. I'm not talking about, it's not a complete buyer's market, but it's shifted. Hey, Ken, thank you. Oh, hey, what's up, Ken? Houston, Texas. Awesome. Good to see you, man. So, it's not a complete home buyer's market, but the pendulum is shifting from, seller to buyer. And so it's somewhat of a mid-ground right now where you can get some more opportunity for, if you are a buyer, to purchase a property and, potentially, make some money. What do I mean? So let's look back in 2021. If you saw a property for sale for $400,000, you might be able to buy that same property today for $350,000. Now, granted, rates are 2% higher, so net on net, your outflow or your cap rate is going to be the same. But in the long run, that 350 is going to be worth 400 or 450, and you will be able to refinance at some point. And the people that own very large portfolios, they're not short-sighted. They're very long-term thinking. They understand the game of what we're playing, and it's a game that has no finish line, and you just keep going, right? And so the people that get that, they accumulate a lot of wealth, and they build fortunes, and they're not short-sighted. They're focused on the bigger picture. So don't ever forget that, in your quest about, building, a portfolio and growing your rental income, because, things are going to happen, and you're not going to be able to predict the future, control it. There's going to be booms, there's going to be busts, things are going to happen. So I wanted to talk about that because it is an important topic, something that is definitely in the media and the headlines, and you're seeing it all over, doom and gloom. People can't buy houses, market's retracting, we're in a recession, yada yada yada. A lot of it is chatter, some of it's true, and you just have to decide on what you're willing to do. What I've been telling people is, look, if you find an opportunity, go for it. If you find a great property, I've many customers, they found properties have a lot of embedded equity. They don't care what the interest rate is, or people that they're in a situation where they're transferring jobs or the lease is up, they have to buy a house. They don't care. And that makes a lot of sense if you're in that situation. If you're not in that situation, then you do care, then it does matter, so it depends on, where you're at with your life and what's going on. So, anyway, that's the story on that. Some of the things that I did want to talk about, tonight that, I think that are important, like I said earlier, we have a conventional program, guys, that will go up to $715,000. The conventional loan limits have been raised to $715K. That offers no money down, 100% financing. That's a great product. You have to have at least a 700 credit score, a maximum debt ratio of 40%, ideally 6 months of reserves. If that's you, we want to talk to you. Call or text us at 832-431-6331. Awesome program to get you funded, no money down, 100%. Cool product. I mean, I can't think why you want to do it. I mean, and here's the thing: if you own rental properties already and you're trying to buy a new primary residence, that's an awesome program. Awesome program. So, because I talked to a client the other night. He's like, look, I don't want to put 20% down on a $300,000 home. I got to put $60K down. I want to turn my garage into an ADU and lease it out to make an extra $1,000 a month. I'm like, of course, let's do that. Why would we can get you 100% financing on the house. You don't have to put any money down. You can use the money to convert the garage into a living quarters. You see, that makes more sense versus tying up all that money. Now your payment is going to be higher, granted, but you're going to make more money on the rent. And so to me, that's a smarter thing to do long term, because you're going to make more money by leasing out the property, by just having a few $100 higher month payment because of the bigger loan amount. Save your money, invest into the property, and you want to turn it into add additional dwelling units or more garage conversion. You can make more money. So I'm a big advocate of that. I think it's really powerful. It's a great thing. So you got to be smart about it. You got to lease to the right people and all that stuff. And there's a whole process to that. But I mean, it's a great opportunity, a great idea. And mailbox money, rental income is definitely very important. So something to think about for the future, to do rental income properties and build your portfolio. We're a big advocate of that, and we're going to preach that, to the end. I mean, building rental income is critical. It's key to your success. So the more rental income, the more mailbox money you can build, the bigger future you're going to have. So we're all about helping. We have so many realtor partners that we work with. It's unbelievable, where they want to build mailbox money. They want to build rental income. Like, Angelo, how do I do it? I'm self-employed. I write off all my income. I deduct all my taxes. How can I get approved for a loan? Like, we have investor cash flow loans where you can get unlimited properties, as many as you want, 100% financing. And then, or we have programs where you can do DSCR, no documentation, and just put 20% down, and buy as many rental properties as you want. So it's a great opportunity for you. If you're a realtor, you're looking to expand and grow your portfolio, to add more. So definitely, if you're a realtor, don't be a stranger. Reach out to us, because we want to help you guys. So another thing is that a lot of people, they ask me all the time, hey, what credit score do I need to get a $500,000 home? Or what credit score do I need to get a $700,000 house? Or what credit score do I need to get a $300,000 home? So what I always tell people is that, so the thing, that credit score is one component. It's your credit score. That's a key. That's an important component. But it's not just about credit score. There's other things too that matter. But if we just focus on credit, I'm going to answer that question. You ideally want to have at least a 740 or higher credit score. So 760, 780, 800. So 740 or higher is what you're shooting for, to get the best financing terms, best loan products, best interest rates, best approvals. Everything is 740 or higher. And at 740 middle score, remember, lenders, you have 3 credit scores. You have Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. They take the middle credit score. So whatever your middle credit score is what they're going to use for the basis to approve your loan. So you want to have it at 740 or higher to get the best loan interest rates. So that's what I would say to strive for. Now, if you're not there, doesn't mean you shouldn't get a loan, no. But you should aim to get that score as high as you can, so you can get the best loan program, the best interest rate, the highest, leverage. And maybe you're not there right now. I'm not saying that you have to be there to get that loan, but if you're not there, let's say you're at a 600, you can buy your property now, build your credit score up, and then refinance later too. That's always a good idea too. So, and I'll tell them, look, hey, it's not just about credit. That's one component. That's one thing. But that's not the only thing that matters. You have other things too. You have also income, cash reserves, debt ratio. So there's many different things that go into getting a loan. And so people think, well, I got an 800 credit score, the bank's going to give me whatever I want. It doesn't work like that. There's other components, other factors that go into it. You want to have ideally a debt to income ratio below 40%. You want to be able to verify your income for the last 2 years. No bankruptcy or foreclosures in the last 7 years. So there's other things that matter. But if you ask me just, hey, what's the best score to get? I'll tell you right off the bat, ideally a 740 or higher. We have all different types of programs to help people do commercial. We do hard money. We do no documentation, ground up construction, land loans, owner-occupied primary residence, SBA, FHA, VA, USDA, conventional. We have all different types of funding packages to help you. So call or text us at 832-431-6333, and we love to help you in any way we can. That's 832-431-6331. Anything that we can help you with to get funding, please reach out to us. Don't be a stranger. We want to help you. Hey, Kenneth, what's up? Don't have a 740, do you reckon? Yes, we can help you with credit repair. Just call or text us at 832-431-6331. We can talk to you about credit repair packages with our providers that we work with. We definitely can help you out with the solution. So please reach out to us if we can help you with anything. That's what we do. We help our customers with credit boosting as one of our services. Depending if you need a deep clean or a quick boost, we have both. We can help you with a quick boost, or we can help you with a deep clean credit, that just depending on what you need. So, reach out to us. Don't be a stranger. We're here for you, with whatever you need, whether it's just credit repair or you need funding. We want to be able to help you to get that, to solve that, to get that going. We have all different types of programs that we offer, from very large institutional loans for multifamily, hotels, restaurants, commercial, residential, multifamily, mixed-use development, ground-up construction, investor cash flow, no documentation, FHA, VA. We have all different types of programs. So definitely looking forward to helping. I appreciate all of you guys watching the show and the channel. Please check out all of our videos on our YouTube, our Instagram, our website, Official Angelo Christian. On Google, you can check us out on our Google reviews. We work very hard to serve, help people make a difference, add value. So call or text us at 832-431-6331, Angelo Christian Live. We have a ton of great content on our channel. So I appreciate all of you guys watching every single week. Be back again next week, next Thursday. We'll see you at 6 p.m. Central. We really appreciate all of you guys watching the show and the channel. Take care and peace out. We'll see y'all next week. Bye-bye.